Today we're going to talk a bit about long-term disability benefits. People call me and ask, Brian, how do I get approved? What's the secret sauce? What's the magic? I'm going to share with you a few tips, not necessarily on how to get approved, but taking steps in the right direction to give you the chance of getting approved. The first thing you need to understand with long-term disability benefits, and any benefits for that matter, is that money just doesn't fall from the sky. You can't just sit there on your hands and hope and pray that you get approved for benefits. The first thing you need to do is take an affirmative step. And what do I mean by that? The insurance company isn't just going to write you a check. You need to first apply for long-term disability benefits. That means getting the application form from your employer, from HR, or from your union rep and filling it out. You need to get those forms in a timely manner. Oftentimes you need to get those forms in by a certain period of time as stipulated under your long-term disability contract. Every contract is different, so every limitation period in terms of getting the forms in will be different. So I wish I could give you a cut and dry answer in terms of when to get the forms in right now, but I don't have your contract in front of me, so I can't do that. Once you have the forms, it's important that you complete your portion of the form. There's a portion of the form to be completed by your employer called an employer's declaration. In addition, there's also a medical questionnaire which needs to be completed by your doctor or a nurse practitioner or a specialist. It's important that the medical questionnaire be completed by a practitioner who is empathetic towards your case and sympathetic. If that doctor or nurse practitioner or specialist does not believe that you are disabled, chances are they will not fill out the form properly to get you the benefits you deserve. After that, you need to make sure that the forms are submitted and submitted properly. If you need to submit them by fax, hold on to that fax confirmation sheet. If you need to submit them by mail, submit them by registered mail. That way you have a copy of the receipt so that you know that the insurance company gets the forms and they're not lost in the mail or eaten by the mail monster. You don't want that. Finally, don't be afraid to follow up with the insurance company. Make sure that they've received your application package, ask if anything is outstanding, ask if they need any more information. If they need information, you gotta get it to them. And the reason I say that is the insurance company has something that you want. You want their benefits. So unfortunately, you have to jump through their hoops. If you have other questions about long-term disability cases, call me Brian Goldfinger at 1-877-730-1777.